Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll show you how leading travel brands like Kayak use interactive quizzes to personalize their customer experience and help travelers find their perfect destination. And the best part? You can create a similar quiz in just minutes with Outgrow. How Kayak uses quizzes. Discover your ideal drive. On their platform, Kayak runs a short, engaging quiz called Discover Your Ideal Drive, designed to match holiday travelers with their perfect road trip experience. These quizzes ask fun, relatable questions like, how do you feel about the holidays? How are you celebrating this season? Question 3, who's coming along for the ride? What are you most looking forward to eating or drinking this holiday? And more. Based on your answers, the quiz reveals your result through a meet your match moment. This is personalization at scale, delivering tailored to travel recommendations without requiring one-on-one interaction. It builds excitement, keeps users engaged, and makes every traveler feel seen. Now, here's how you can build the same thing with Outgrow. Step 1. Log in and use the AI assistant. Now let's build our quiz using Outgrow's AI travel marketing tools. Simply type in your idea, something like create a quiz to help travelers discover their ideal travel destination based on their personality and preferences. In seconds, the AI generates a complete quiz draft with questions, answer options, outcomes, and scoring logic all ready to customize. Step 2. Customize your quiz. AI gives you a strong starting point, but the magic happens inside Outgrow's builder. Here, you can refine every question to match your brand voice and goals. For a travel destination quiz, your questions might look like, Question 1. What is your ideal vacation pace? Slow and relaxed, moderate and balanced, fast and action-packed. Question 2. Which type of activities do you enjoy most while traveling? Cultural experiences, outdoor adventures, culinary delights, relaxation and wellness, and more. Question 3. What type of accommodation do you prefer? Boutique properties, camping or glamping, luxury hotels, budget hostels, vacation rentals, eco-friendly lodging. Question 4. How do you prefer to explore a new destination? Guided tours, independent exploration, a mix of both local immersion and off-the-beaten-path experiences, and so on. You can also add stunning destination images, travel icons, and fine-tune the logic so each combination of answers leads to the most spot-on result. Step 3. Set up your outcomes. Next, create multiple traveler personality outcomes. For example, the adrenaline junkie, the eco-traveler, the luxury globetrotter, the cultural explorer, and so on. Each outcome gives users a personalized destination profile complete with ideal destinations and activity recommendations, making them feel like the quiz was built just for them. Step 4. Preview and test. Before going live, preview your quiz to make sure it's smooth, visually stunning, and intuitive for every traveler. Step 5. Publish and share. And that's it. Hit go. Live to embed the quiz on your travel website, share it through email campaigns, or post it across social media. Your quiz is now ready to inspire wanderlust, guide users toward their perfect destination, and capture qualified leads all in minutes using Outgrow. Ready to take your travel marketing to the next destination? Start building smarter, more engaging experiences today with Outgrow. Sign up and try it now.